Hi guys! Hello! Welcome back to Mommy Nance TV channel. Ayan, subscribe mo na kayo guys if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. Pupunta kami sa isang bagong area tonight. It's my first time seeing this one. It's my husband who told me na may area dito. So, I said let's go over there and let's try to see it very quickly lang talaga. So, this is it. By the way, today is October 10. Yeah, because it's Monday 2022 and malapit na Pasko. And my husband said this coming katapusan ng month may fiesta daw dito. So most of this ganitong mga perya pumupunta yan sa mga lugar pag may fiesta. So that's why nag-asa ko bakit nandito sila. Kaya pala kasi may coming fiesta. So I haven't tried that, sumakay ng Ferris wheel at yung iba pa, hindi ko pa na-try yan, pero I'm curious kung yung feeling na sumakay dyan. So hopefully makatry ako soon. Tignan natin guys, sundan niyo ako. Let's go. Nag-andar ba? May sakay? Kanak-andar. Kasi tawag ano? Ito tawag ano? Ferris wheel. Hala, ba't may tao sa taas? Hala, may tao sa taas. So, nag-andar na, yun lang ha. Ayun, saan may napagnaon? Sila naman. So guys, saan may it's a mermaid over there. And that's a dragon, right? Is that a dragon? There's two mermaids over there. You want to go there? Kana? Okay, we'll see. Pandaro na nila gulo. Ay! Swing! The boat dragon is moving! So guys, nandito kami yun sa isang piera. Oh my God! Ang taas! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Ay! Nakakaloka! Ay! Ay! Izzy, you want to ride over there? No? You want to try that? Oh my goodness, that's too, high. So high. Siguro mahihilo ako dyan pag nakasakay ako dyan. Okay, slowly na, slowly. Nakakatakot naman yan. Ayun, natakot na yung sumakay, oh. Bumaba na agad sila. Grabe. Magkano kaya yung entrance? Ayun, may shake, oh, mango shake. Ayun, bumaba na yung sumakay, oh, tingnan nyo. So, how's the feeling? Grabe, ang taas. Yeah. Izzy, you want to ride over there? No? Why are you scared? Ayun, nag-andar na yung ano. Yung ano, tawag na. Ferris wheel. Ayan. Yung Ferris wheel na naman yung umandar. That one? So that boat With the dragon mermaid is called Viking boat. Let's see the Ferris wheel. Love, next, let's see the Ferris wheel. Ayun, easy, look, the Ferris wheel is moving. Woo! Look at that. Oh, you want to ride over there?
Ana, love, pwede ka masakay, ana, love. Ikaw, among music. Ay lang ko, sukaon ko, ano?
Sukaon ka? Try food. Oh my goodness. Ayan, ang bilis. Moving so fast. Ayun, yung Ferris wheel din, nag-move din yung Ferris wheel. It looks like scary, but I think safe naman siya. Nakakaloka. Ito, it moves so fast talaga. Anong name nito, love? I don't know. Carousel? Lilliput. Comment below what's the name of this one. We don't know what's the name of this one. It looks fun. It moves so fast, and also the Ferris wheel is moving. Look at that. That's so high. Ako yung nahihilo, nakatingin ito. Ang bilis. Ayan. So, ito yung perya nilang dumadayo yung mga ganito pag merong coming fiesta sa isang lugar. You said you don't want to go there because it's scary. Wow! Kumanan na, malipong na sila.
Right there, Papa will get the money first, okay? I will for the right there. What I do, okay?
Someone wants to ride.
Okay. I'll give you my hat. No. By Saturday we'll ride here. As the giant. I'll make it small. Let's go.
Okay, so uuwi na kami, guys. Medyo maraming tao dito, guys. Hindi kami sasakay kasi wala kami pera pang guys. Saka na lang pag may extra money na kami. Comment below if you're familiar with those things. Ferris wheel lang yung nalalaman. There's a lot of people here. Look at that. Ayan. Usually, dumadayo yung mga gano'n kapag may upcoming fiesta, right? Sa lugar. So, dumadayo yung mga gano'ng klaseng perya, gano'n. Tapos yung isang nag-spin, hindi namin alam po ano yun. Comment below if you know. Ferris wheel lang yung nalalaman ko, at saka yung Dragon Viking boat, which is nakakatakot. Siguro nakakalula kapag makasakay ka dun. Yeah, it's so scary. Sa tingin ko, scary talaga siya. And nakita namin yung pasahero, bumaba siya, tawa ng tawa. Ayan, so we're heading home now. We just want to see the carnival thing very quick. So, next time, itry namin sumakay doon at i-vlog natin. So, this will be the intro of part 1 sa carnival. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Whew! Grabe. Nakakatakot yun ah. Bye! See you in the next video. So, gabi sila nag-construct kasi walang mga taong masyad. We're heading home.